Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login Aid, and in today's video I'm going to guide you through how to log into Banco BPM account. So first of all, you could simply launch Banco BPM application, that is UApp, or else you could simply launch any web browser on your mobile devices and then go to the official website of bancobpm.it. Now, once you come to the official website of bank, you can see a profile icon at the top right corner. Tap on it. Now, under the category of UWeb, tap on this option that says Access in another language. With that, you will be led to this page. In order to log in, first of all, enter your identification number. Now, simply you could enter the password of your banking account. Now, in case if you have forgotten your password, you can tap on the option of reset your password, or else if you want instructions for first access, you can tap on this link, or there are several other links that would help you logging in. So after that, if you tap on the option of sign in, you will successfully be able to log into Banco BPM account. So that's it for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.